Hello guys, welcome to my lecture series on cybersecurity. Today's topic is called social engineering attack. These days, the most effective tools the attacker use to capture the potential unsuspecting users is through what we call phishing emails. Phishing emails are the trick. The attacker sends it to you, asking you to log in your credentials, your information, your user login into the site they have fraudulently created. And when the user does that, he has voluntarily, ignorantly submit his credential to the attacker. Thereby, the attacker used the opportunity to steal their credential for the purpose of financial gain. The attacker then used what you have logged in, which is the original logins of a user, to steal your money. Other way by which attacker use is by calling you, introducing themselves as a bank official, thereby demanding you to submit your credential on the ATM, your PIN number. If you thereby do that, you have ignorantly submitted your credential to the attacker, which will be used against you. Other social engineering method the attacker normally use is by calling, introducing themselves as part of the member of the organization or one of the staff of the organization who has lost or misused or misplaced his password, asking you to reset their password. They are able to give you the user's name, which they can get anywhere, but the real password, they will tell you that they have forgotten it. If the security manager is not experienced, or the desktop clerk or helpdesk clerk are not experienced, they will divulge the information or reset the password for a stranger who has disguised as a staff member of the organization. We have to be wary and be careful. Our staff needs several training so that they are aware of the tricks of attacker on social engineering. The tools they are using is phishing emails. Though we have several phishing methods like phishing, like whaling attack, like spear phishing. All these methods are used just to steal the credentials of the unsuspecting user and thereby use against them to steal their finances or to obtain their personal information. We need to be careful. For more lecture on cybersecurity, on CISA, on CISM, Security Manager, you may register with us, Deco Technology, https:/decotechnology.com. We are waiting for you for series of lecture on CISA, on CISM, on CISSP, cybersecurity. Thank you for listening.